Planning to work as a nurse in Ireland in 2026? This guide is your complete roadmap to make it happen. Registering with NMBI is your essential first step. No nurse can practice in Ireland without this approval. There are three main NMBI pathways: general registration, adaptation program, or passing the RCSI aptitude test. Gather must-have documents early: your diploma, nursing license, work references, English test scores, and identity papers. In 2026, NMBI processing time is 4 to 6 months. Start your application early to stay ahead. Search for Irish hospitals that sponsor international nurses. Use job boards, agency listings, and hospital career pages. Prepare for a professional interview. Highlight your qualifications and willingness to complete Irish registration requirements. Accepting your job offer is the key to getting employer sponsorship, a requirement for the work visa process. Apply for the Irish employment permit online. Upload your job offer, NMBI approval, passport, and credentials. For the visa, submit your approved employment permit, job contract, NMBI documents, and proof of English proficiency. Send documents only in certified copies. Use secure courier services to avoid delays or lost paperwork. Track your application status online and respond quickly if you're asked for more information or additional documents. Family visas are available. Apply together so your spouse and children can join you in Ireland from the start. Once approved, arrive in Ireland, complete on-site induction, and begin your nursing career in the Irish healthcare system. With this roadmap, your 2026 nursing journey to Ireland is about to begin. You're ready for the next step,